Okay, should be recording now. Yep, looks like it. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the sexiest of us all? Moi! Okay, let's get into the car. Let's get run over. Right. It does say in the manual not to use them while driving. So, okay, going off to Aldi's for the weekly shop while paying attention to the road. And what have we got going on up over here? Silliness. People parking on the side. Amazon. The great thing about these glasses is that they work in the bath. As long as you don't go underwater, you can listen to your music on Spotify. So, yeah, I'm well chuffed for them. Excellent. Couldn't fault them. Superb. Well made. Easy to use, listen to me music in the bath. What more could I want? Cheers then.